Hello, welcome to our new video. Our route today is California. In the American West, on the shores of the Pacific Ocean, there is a shining jewel, California. This state attracts the world's attention with its magnificent natural beauties, cultural diversity, and unique lifestyle. California is located in a wide geography extending from San Francisco, known for its iconic Golden Gate Bridge, to Los Angeles, where the legendary Hollywood is located. Default text. Famous for its diverse landscapes, from seaside beaches to mountain ranges, from fertile farmland to enormous However, it's not just the natural beauty that makes California unique. The man-made attractions located here are also awe-inspiring. In addition to being the heart of the world-famous film industry, Los Angeles also stands out for its rich cultural heritage, museums, and vibrant art scene. While San Francisco draws attention with its historical texture, it is also known for its modern architecture and hosting well-established technology companies. As you move further into California, breathtaking natural parks and reservoirs attract visitors. Yosemite National Park's fascinating canyons offer an unforgettable experience with its giant red trees and unique natural formations. California's cultural riches and natural beauties are complemented by its delicious food and famous vineyards. The state offers a wide range of gastronomic experiences, from international cuisine to local specialties. As a result, California is a destination that leaves unforgettable memories for every visitor with its magnificent landscapes, cultural diversity, unique lifestyle, and endless opportunities for discovery. Continue to join us for new discoveries and routes. Hope to see you on our next route.